Welcome to another episode of Jumpin' in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia. What better way to start off the fall season than to make some apple cider donuts? Let's get to the ingredients. We have here apple cider, brown sugar, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder, baking soda, buttermilk, applesauce, unsweetened applesauce, butter, eggs, and all-purpose flour. Now let's start making the apple cider donuts. I have a saute pan here. I'm turning it to medium high. And we are going to put the apple cider in the pan. And we're going to let it cook down for about 10 minutes until it gets a syrupy consistency. Then we will come back with the next step. Now, this is what we do next while the apple cider is cooking into a syrup. The all-purpose flour, we take that. We add the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt to the flour. We add the cinnamon. And the nutmeg. We mix this up. Then we're going to cover this up and wait for the syrup to make with the apple cider. The apple cider has turned into a syrup, and I've added the brown sugar, and now we're going to add the butter. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now we're going to take a whisk and whisk all of this up together until the butter and the sugar melt. Now I'm pouring it into the bowl. And we're going to add the applesauce. The buttermilk. And the eggs. Then we're going to whisk this up together until it comes nice and smooth. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now we're going to add the apple cider mixture into the flour. Then we're going to take this rubber spatula and mix it up. We mustn't try to overmix it. Don't overmix it. After we mix this all together, we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for 1 hour. While the dough is chilling in the refrigerator, we're going to mix the granulated sugar and the cinnamon together to toss the donuts in. Now let's get to making the donuts. I have a Dutch oven here. It needs a heavy pot. And we're going to fill it with oil. I'm using canola oil. You can use vegetable oil if you like. And we're going to let that get hot. We're going to heavily flour the work surface. And then we're going to add the donut dough. We're going to flour the rolling pin. And then we're going to roll it out. I have a donut cutter here, and we're going to cut the donuts. I have a sheet pan here with some flour on it. This is where we're going to put the donuts on. My donut cutter also makes donut holes. I'm going to make a few donut holes as well. See? Set them here. Put the holes, and let me make another one. See? And the holes. Now let's add the donuts to the oil. We're going to add maybe 3 at a time because we don't want to overcrowd the pan. I have a sheet pan here with a wired rack. As they cook, we're going to take them out and put them on the rack and let them drain. When they float to the top, then they should be done. We're going to add a few of the donut holes to the pot. Now I'm going to take the first set out. Put them on the rack. Also, got to take out the holes. Now I have the second batch in. Now I'm rolling them in the cinnamon sugar. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Here you have it, Apple Cider Donuts. Enjoy. Let's try one. See? So delicious. You can have some coffee with it or tea. Scrumptious. You can taste the cinnamon, the nutmeg, the applesauce, the apple cider. Everything just came together lovely. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.